Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your KPASR account. To do so, firstly open your web browser and in the search bar type in kp.com. KP means Cur Permanente. It will take you to this interface, which is the official website of Cur Permanente. And in order to log in or sign into your KP account, over here you can see the sign in button at the top right hand corner. Click on the sign in button. It will take you to the sign in portal. Once you are here, enter the user ID of your account. Like this, if you are using your private computer, you can click here Save User ID, but I do not recommend you to do that on a public computer for privacy purposes. Once you do that, over here, enter your password. To reassure your password, what you typed, you can click on the eye icon over here. In case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can recover it by clicking here Forgot User ID or Password. Once you do that, click on the Sign In button. You should be able to sign into your KP After account. And if you want to create an account, you can click here Register for an account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.